I'm Brian Reid. It's my wife, Janal Reid.
Hello.
We run and operate Serveway Heat and Air Conditioning here in Dallas, Texas.
I'm excited to talk to you for a bunch of reasons. First, we got to talk about the actual business itself. It's doing great. You were sharing with me before we hit record. You are I'll let you talk about it. You guys are on your ways to really smashing your goal in 2024, right?
Yeah, we are. Here it is, September of 2024, and we had a projected goal for a full 12-month period, and we only have 16% left of that goal to hit, with 4 months left remaining in the year. So we're doing pretty well. July wasn't a friend at all because we kind of missed out on our goal due to some weather, but August kind of made up for it, and looking forward to September.